Good afternoon, folks. This is Adriana with the Hooverville's breaking news. Today, there has been an outbreak of dangerous creatures that we call zombies. Be on the lookout for the following signs: slurred speech, balance issues, and constantly agitated. Now, to Dr. Crane with the science issues. But just remember, these hideous beings can still walk and act like humans. We suggest you stay inside, lock your doors, and don't come out. Take it away, Dr. Crane and Dr. Sansonis.
Thank you, Dr. Sansonis. As we can see in the chart shown, zombies have lost all humanity. They only have one goal, and what is that, you may ask? To eat the living.
Mostly all of the brain was affected by this deadly virus, but the parts affected the most include the amygdala, the hippocampus, the cerebellum, and the Broca's area. Right here, you can see how astronomical the change of size of the amygdala is in the zombie's brain. The amygdala's main function is to control the anger and fear humans encounter, but with the increase of size in the zombies, they don't have any fears and will attack you if you come close. They also have all this rage that they would take on the humans with no remorse.
Next is the hippocampus, located in the forebrain, just like the amygdala. This functions the brain's memory formation, but with half the hippocampus gone, they have really bad long-term memory and can't remember the past life as humans, even just after 5 minutes. If you think your friends and family will remember you as a zombie, I regret to inform you, but they won't.
The cerebellum was also one of the main affected parts of the brain. The cerebellum focuses on balance that humans have while standing or walking. With the cerebellum decrease in size, then that slows down the zombies. They also don't know the distance from objects, so they could be far away, but they can think they are even further. Watch out on the streets, everyone.
Lastly, the Broca's area in humans helps the production of speech and written language. As you can see in this image, the zombie's brain is disintegrating and other parts of the brain. This causes the zombies to have slurred speech, so you may not know what they're saying, but you definitely should know what they are thinking, and that is to eat your brain.
Now, these weren't the only part of the brain that was affected. Miss Adriana and Miss Emmy will tell you more about the disturbing things that these creatures have going on in their head. Take it away.
Thank you, Dr. Sansonis and Dr. Crane, for the informative description of how the zombies are deadly beings. We will briefly go on and tell more about the other parts of the brain affected. First, the hypothalamus makes the zombies so hungry for the humans' brains, and the hunger in these zombies are out of control.
The elliptical lobe is used to put objects and colors together to make us humans see the outside world. But in these zombies, they are unable to put colors together, so they can only see black and white. The parental lobe in the zombies make them not have a sense of touch or pain, so they don't feel any pain when it comes to being injured.
The peripheral cortex is a part of the brain that helps people set and achieve goals. It also plays a big role in the personality development. The effect of the prefrontal cortex being damaged in the zombie's brain is that they have short-term memory and lack empathy for others.
The temporal lobe of your brain is a pair of areas that play a role in managing your emotions, processing information from your senses, storing and retrieving memories, and understanding language. This causes the zombies to not understand language and don't know how to speak or write.
As you know, there is a lot of brain problems these zombies have, but we are almost done. Next is the thalamus, which is your body's informative relay station. The thalamus also plays a role in sleep. The thalamus in zombies' brain says that the zombies do not sleep.
The Wernicke's area is the part of the brain that controls production of speech. Zombies have a disorder called Wernicke's aphasia, which causes difficulty with understanding language and forming meaningful sentences.
The main function of your pons is to relay and regulate the signals that give you the sensation of pain from anywhere in your body below your neck. Because of the damage to the pons, zombies have a paralysis in their entire body, like a loss of sensation in the face, loss of ability to gaze, and loss of a corneal reflex.
Now to Dr. Craney with the weather.
Thank you. Today, the forecast is partly cloudy with a high of 70 degrees and a low of 52. What was that? Did you hear something? Guys, save yourself. They're coming. Just run. No, don't even try and hide. Just run. Just run. Just run.